Mama.
It's Mother's Day.
Post mo muna yan.
Shabu-shabu. Ayan, dalawang mother. Oh, yan ang isang mother dyan. Oh. Lalakad.
Nakalimutan ko yung alak. Kunin mo yung alak ko. Nandun sa ilalim. Si Patricia wala. Patricia!
Ayan, yung bubuksan na nila yung
Opening
kanilang
one gift.
Mga mother, nagbubukas na.
Teka. Ipa. Ribbon, hello! Happy Mother's Day! Ayaw umandar. Nakadikit. Ayun. Halika, Patricia. Alisin mo nga. O, dyan na lang. Katayin mo na si Mamang. Ha?
I come in your room, but you are not there.
Okay. Hey! Happy Mother's Day. Oh, what is this? Ice wine?
Looks like it's ice cream.
Oh, look.
Thank you, Ate Maylene and
Pasa.
Ate Irene.
Pasa.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Maylene and Irene.
What is this? Puro ano lang pala yan, mga cake pops.
Ano na kita?
Cake pops. Ipatayo natin. Ganyan. Buksan mo yung isa. Yang naka-box.
Ito. Data permission.
Nakadikit ka, ma'am.
Buksan mo yun. Yan. Look at the cake pops. More pops. Okay, go open it and put some here, Patricia and Mamang. Para alam na nalagyan natin. Oh, now we have our dessert. Thank you, Irene and Maylene.
Thank you, Maylene, Irene.
Oh no, they're breaking apart. Oh. Kaya mo na, yun na ilagay na.
One.
No, except for these two.
Okay, put some. Okay. You want to go? Yeah, hello, thank you. Okay, lagay natin dun sa ating shabu-shabu. Okay, can you bring the glass of wine and the wine, please? You're gonna bring it here. Bring it here. There you go.
Hindi. Meron ka. Yung laman ay yung pinagkukuha.
Ilagay mo dito mga dalawa lang yung dalawang pa, glasses.
Bakit nadalawa lang?
Dalawa nga lang yung nag-iwan. Hindi maganda ang pagkakuha. Malaw. Complete with dessert.
Saber, Saber. Saber. Look at the Saber.
You have to wait for them. Don't touch my slipper. Don't touch my slipper. You have to watch your hands first.
You get one. Did you eat yet? Have you eaten something? Well, you have to eat something first.
Yeah, tikman natin yan.
Paano pagbukas nito? By pa. I don't know how to open this. Can you open this?
Ano lang. Umiikot lang yan. Sige, hindi, buksan mo nga, Cherry. Tanggalin mo yung
Masakit
plastic.
kamay ko.
Hiwain mo yung
Meron
plastic.
Parang dito eh. Ano yan? You stop it and then open it for us. Nagbibideo ka?
Tama na muna yan.
Kaya kinakat ko lang para eh.
Huwag mo muna ang tapin sana.
There's the core.
Found ako. Para mailagay ko yung iba. Kagaya itong chicken. Hinikit na nga ito eh. Ito. Uy, masarap na to ah. Ito na ata ito ah. Dumikit na eh. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, di may space na sila. Oh, naluto na yung chicken. Mamagay natin itong tulya. Ay, tulya. Tahong. Lagyan natin sa gitna. And octopus thing. Octopus.
Hindi siya pwede dahil ano,
Octopus. Okay. Picture, picture. Teka, sandali.
Mom, you guys can eat. It's not like
Upo tayo para ano, para kita pati yung ating ano. Mama, asan ka na? Mama! Halika na! Picture tayo!
nakalugay ng dalawang mami dito. Maglulugay ako.
Baka mo po.
You don't have it. Ask Daddy.
Ayun na.
Ang tapang. Hindi ako marunong.
Yeah.
Oo, grab Sprite. Hawakan mo lang. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day! Ito sabi.
Ay, ganyan.
Happy Mother's Day! Kasama yung ano? Kasama yung pagkain?
Oo, lahat na yan. Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Thank you.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Don't take a picture and I'm gonna go in the picture.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day!
Ay, video pala yun.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Okay. Sarap! Ang tamis!
Mabaling ka na.
Ang sarap! Ano pinigay mo sa akin?
Huwag mo.
Pinigay mo sa akin? Sige!
Which one is this? The strong one?
Oh, it's very good!
Yeah, Daddy, ano agad ako? Did you get it?
Very good!
Get agad.
Okay, nasa na yung ano, yung luto. Kinuha ko ata yung nasa ko na kanina.
No! Oh no!
Oh, nasunog ka.
Oh, yun. Pangulot na
Kain
kayo
na, kain
dito.
na, kain na.
Baby ka! Daddy.
Gusto mong chopstick o ano?
Dahil hindi ako masyadong marunong baliktad. Yung mas mataba ang ram. Technique.
I have my own beer. I have my own wine.
Careful, careful. Hold it properly. I'll hold it before you sit.
Ay, nahulog pa.
Praise be.
Oy, sarap, 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 sarap. Na. May nakuha akong chopstick. Ayan, mag-itinidor. Buka lang, sige lang.
Hindi makuha.
Ay, magkumuha ka ng tinidor. Awan chicken.
Hold it properly, ha?
Chicken. Sarap, sarap, sarap.
Korean stuff. Hold on, you're missing the shrimp paste.
Meron kaming pinuntahan sa Pilipinas na ganito. Ano ang ganda yung pang-ipit nila.
Ang pang-ipit ng
Hindi ganyan.
ito.
Kaya nga matulis mo para matulis mo.
Hindi, kaya ko nga ginagamit yung mas mataba para maipit.
O, mamang. Tahong. Iya, sitig mo ah. Malambot ito ano?
Baby, pepper towel. Pepper towel.
The mark, so that you know your bubble, your flat, or you can hold it so that it will not slip. That's money. Ask grandma. Hold it, eh?
Why not have this from your face?
Careful enough.
Hindi ka yan.
Meron pa. Oh.
Rap. Wala na eh, natak na lang yun. Ano yun? Ay, dinagdagan mo ng water.
Ano pang lasa yan?
It was shaking. Did something.
Oh. Ubus. Eh, toothpick dapat. Maganda yung ginawa niya. Toothpick oh. May toothpick na ano.
Anong toothpick? Toothpick daw yun. That's a cake pack. Toothpick ka daw. Cake pack yun. Pang cake.
Ayan oh.
Oh, dala kaya. Kusupin mo yung toothpick.
Ganyan mo na oh. Oh.
Kamusta na itong ano? Naluto na to, overcook na? Na-overcook na to?
Ganito, gusto ko yung business dun sa ano mga...
Maybe, nakakatagdag ka na naman ang business mo.
Hindi, ganito oh, yung ginagawa nila, ginaganyan oh. Oh.
Oh, isip. Cook na ba to, pa? Hindi pa. Tumutok.
Tawag ka ho.
Ha?
Ida?
I finished my wine. Okay, huh? Ooh, she doesn't enough. I'm so much without you.
sabi mo?
Hindi ko nandiyan pala.
Saan?
Sa frigidaire.
Bawang mas dahil yan. No, hindi sana kaya. Napayan dito, no?
Ako na yan.
Ah! Ayan. Tugay ka. Na ano na, lumiit na ng gusto. Ito, luto na ata to eh. Octopus. Nalala ako na ano. Ano pa? Ito na, chicken.
It's normal? Is that like what the normal pricing?
I think that would be the minimum. I saw it on Facebook.
Sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, something like that.
Sa ano namin, sa Manila namin na gano'n sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, yung nakita ko sa Manila North.
So what, like it's $20, right? 400 pesos is about 10.
Eh, ilang kami na shabu-shabu nung ang dami namin. Yung laki ang binyara siguro.
So it's exactly the same amount.
Ma'am, I'm okay. Ma'am, it's okay. I always eat.
Kimchi. Ang apit ng kimchi.
It's a different taste than the usual.
Ah, did you taste the kimchi?
I already tasted their kimchi from before. Here, I need a plate. Okay, give me another. Matt, can I have a plate? We'll start putting these cooked ones away. Put that near the middle so it cooks better. Meat should always be near the middle. Harder to cook items in the edge.
Mas maganda yung mas malaki ah. Yung mas malaki sana bigay ko.
Naalin.
Mas malapad.
Naalin.
Yung kinuha.
Hindi mo nabili ito, ano?
Regalo nga pero meron na bibili. Mas malapad.
Bigay niya, ano ito?
At saka meron yung lagayan ng tubig niya na mantika na aagusan.
Bilog yung original, bilog.
It's like a hot plate.
Mama, why are you cutting that?
Because it's big.
Like, why are you cutting with scissors?
Because it's easier to cut that way.
With the meat scissors?
Nagudulas.
Shrimp are the quickest to cook. So
Remove the shrimp.
you have to be very careful.
So don't put the shrimp anymore.
This has cooking. You can eat it raw.
Let's try this. This one's definitely cooked. That was a good one.
Malambot yung karne, ano?
These ones are the ones that are having trouble cooking.
Here, give me shrimps. This cook? No.
Cook na yan, kasi cook naman na linagay nila eh.
Hindi cook. Hindi Uncook yan na nilagay ko.
Ano ba?
Yeah, this is chicken.
Try that out. See if it doesn't give you... No, that's not cooked.
Chicken?
No, that's not even close. I can see it.
Yeah.
Chicken is the hardest one to cook.
It's cooked.
I know. That was the oyster. Or not oyster. What's wrong with me?
Mussel.
Mussel. Oyster more expensive.
That's how about the octopus? Hindi put any octopus.
There.
No, that's squid.
Where's the octopus?
Over there.
This is octopus?
Yeah. Masarap ang timpla ko ng shrimp ah. Masarap yung shrimp. Hindi ka naman kumakain ma. Hindi ko ba kumain? Ang dami na naluto. Nasaan yung pinggan mo? Kaya, bigyan pa rin.
Can't see that. I can't see snow.
Ikaw, hindi ka rin kumakain.
Energy din yun, eh. Parang siya na kanina.
Ito ang pinggan mo. Ulti na natin ito.
Needs to have something around this color to be fully cooked. Almost there. Too white. By the way, that's the your. I don't know if you know what it is, but it's opposite way.
I know. I purposely did that
Oh.
because I didn't. I'm not that good yet. So
Oh, okay. I was wondering. I thought like I didn't know if you knew. That's why. Squids are so difficult.
Ang hang ng kimchi.
Hirang masarap.
What about it? What about our cook? First, we're cooking still. Here, you have both. Who wants to try this? I don't know. You're the test subject. Here, try it.
Watch that chicken.
Yeah, chicken, the hardest thing to cook. It's starting to stick though, so that's... You should start spraying some thing, oil on it. It's starting to stick.
It's not cooking.
Yan, no, kuskusin mo muna. Kumuha ka ng pangkuskus mo.
Faithful, strong, but you need a proof. You saw her
Good job, but this is not cooked yet.
baby.
I can see it.
Beauty of the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Kaya ako may stop.
Nakakabusog din.
Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody for a Julia. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's a chord and it's a broken hallelujah.
This is cooked. Loya. 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 Hallelujah.
Mommy, do it.
Ano to?
Huh?
Ano to?
Yeah, you'll be soon. Yeah, soon.
Very good.
Hallelujah. Here. Say quick. Ow! Ow! Son, what the heck? Yo! 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 Oh!
Ikaw pa rin.
Yo! Yo!
No,
Ah,
it's off. Oh, is it off?
it's on.
It's still yours.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Just need a bit of
That
that.
is how I know you.
It tastes good, ma. Try it just a bit.
Which one?
This.
No, babe.
No, just one. I promise you it'll taste
Across
good.
the distance,
Oh,
you
that's cream cheese.
to
With a bit of jalapeno. That's why.
show
Only a bit. It's not even hot.
Ito. Akala ko hummus.
No, I said it's cream cheese with a bit of jalapeno. Yeah, just don't take it by itself.
The heart does go
It's good as wonderful as a spread. I usually eat it in the morning.
once more. You walk
And it's only $4.99.
and you're
Costco.
here in my heart and
Inside.
my heart will go on.
It's a pieces.
Oh, you're always filling that. Huh?
Love can touch
Tiny
us
pieces.
one time and last for a lifetime and
That's
never
why it's good.
let
It's good.
go
See, Ma?
till
It's good.
we're
Okay,
gone.
It adds that little, because the cream cheese is what overdominates. It's just the spice that has it there for the taste, not even for the spice.
I'm so full. I ate a lot of lettuce already. Nakaapat ako ng lettuce. Oh, 3. Wrap. Lettuce wrap.
Near, far, wherever you are, the heart the door, and you're hearing my heart, and my heart will go on and on.
Ito ka.
No, it's fine. Just bring it. Oh, oops.
You're here. There's nothing I feel.
I didn't know that yours doesn't go down.
There
There you go.
Sarap ng sanda.
We'll stay forever this way. You are safe with my heart, and my heart will go
Hindi ko makaya. Sarap talaga ng partner sa lettuce. Kaya kung nga yan kanina sarap eh.
Kain ng kain.
Ilagay mo muna dyan sa tabi. Dito sa
guys
side.
enjoy.
Next. Ibaba mo muna dito para ano. Kaya pa ganyan. Yan.
Yeah, so son just wants me to I'll be inside. You guys go do your thing.
You're gonna sleep now?
No, it's not. He just wants to watch a show.
Oh,
You
you
can't
gotta,
hear because you guys are
you gotta show.
Ano sumunod?
I don't know. Tingnan mo mamaya. Lalabas yan.
Espresso.
You raise me up. Ay, yun sana.
Bili ako ng
O, ito, you raise me up ka na.
I'll be back. Dapat si JP, no?
Eh, wala na. Umalis na.
Kinakanta ni JP dati.
Nung maliit siya. Yan ang kinanta niya nung nag-50th birthday ako eh. Kinanta niya sa stage.
Ewan ko bakit di na siya kumakanta ngayon.
Busy.
Pinabayaan niya na.
Tamo, hindi na siya magandang boses niya.
Pinabayaan niya na yung boses niya. Ay, nasa.
Tapa namin level, tapapin niya.
Ne! Guro ba na, no?
Tapapin.
Kasi si Patricia, hindi ko masyadong ano.
Hindi mo alam yan?
Hindi ko masyadong off tune ako kasi hindi ko alam.
Tutulog. Talent. Kainit ah.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, also in the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, say how do you do? They really say I love you. Ikaw naman, ulit.
Ikaw nga. Ang ano ko.
Babies cry. I watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes,
Yes.
I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, may... Are you squid, Tira? Or squid, no?
Octopus.
Ang
Ang squid
sarap
yung
nun.
bilog.
May timpla yun, auntie. Masarap yun.
Hmm,
Ang
natimpla ko lahat.
Lalo pag
May timpla lahat yan
pag
nababad.
hindi overcook ang tamis niya. Yan.
Ito ang squid, itong bilog.
Mas masarap pag sashimi.
Yung octopus, yung yung square. Kasi malalaki yun eh, hindi mo Yan ang squid. Octopus yung malalapad na parang square. Yun. Kasi malaki masyado yun eh. Kaya tinagtad nila.
Sarap ito, ano? Pag nalagyan ng ito, ano?
Ito na yan. That's you.
Ay, sorry. Tinignan.
You don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away.
Masyado smooth.
Then the hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast
Ang
your
baho ng
fears
kimchi.
aside, and you know
Yung natataasan ako. Mariah ito, right?
Nilagay mo sa kanya.
Nanginginig-nginig yung boses ko.
and you finally see the truth that
Pinapa niya
the hero lies in you.
Luto na ata to.
Oh, shoot.
Ay! Ano nahulog? Painitin na nila.
It's a long
Yan ka.
when you
Kasi inaano ko pa ka ma-overcook yung yung shrimp.
no one reaches out a hand.